how's it going? So, today is my brother-in-law's, Rachel's brother's, birthday, and we are going to dinner.
Big 5-0.
Yeah, he's 50, so that's a big one. And we're going to dinner, some Mexican place, which is good because I'm in the mood for Mexican. And yeah, so let's see how this goes. What?
I say, is there one, or do you not know if there's one? No.
Is there a what?
A Kroger or a Giant Eagle, CVS, Walgreens, somewhere.
No. Okay, I don't know if there's one along this way.
Oh, look and
and
answer.
No. Well, what do you mean look and answer?
There's a difference between no and I don't know.
Okay, no, I don't know if there's one along this way, and no, I don't think there is one.
Help me find a place to get a birthday card.
Rachel's going in the rain to get a card for Mike. I'm really tired of this rain. And then it's gonna be so hot the next few days. Like, they've put out excessive heat advisories and things like that. So I guess I should be thankful for it now, and then I can actually get out, because through the weekend I'm pretty much not gonna be able to get out. I wanted to go to down to my mom's to go to the fair. I don't think that's gonna happen, simply because it's gonna be so hot, and I don't tolerate heat well at all. It would not be good. And I don't know what the fairgrounds are like down there in Butler County. So using my chair would probably be kind of difficult. I'd probably be having to push myself backwards through a lot of different terrains, and just not a good idea. Sucks, but I'd rather stay safe. Party's at 6. We have 19 minutes to get there. And actually, the restaurant is like right over there, I think just past this building on that side. So we should be there fairly quickly. Early even for once. Hey, Tuna. Luna. Hey. Are you Dade? Is you Dade? What did you get him?
I got him a gift card to Bed Bath & Beyond. It's not a chick store. It's unisex.
Okay.
Whatever. Don't judge me.
I'm sure he'll like it.
You're
I'm sure he'll
judging me.
figure. I'm not judging you. I'm sure he'll figure it out.
You're laughing
I
at
am
me.
laughing because it's just funny to, I don't know, get him a... I'm sure, yeah, he's rehabbing the house. I'm sure he'll find something in there. Maybe they want new dishes or
They have other stuff there.
coffee pot. So you need to go to the Beyond section.
Yes.
Is this going to turn into an Adam Sandler film for them? What do I say?
I don't know. Meowie Christmas or Meowie Happy Birthday, Best Fishes. I don't know. Oh wait, it's not a cat card. For once I didn't get a cat card. It's Christmas in July. No. I'm too tired to think straight.
Simple. Just simple. Jeez.
Okay, put it in the thing. Write Mike on it.
No, I was gonna write Michelle.
Feminine form of his name.
Fine.
Oh, you don't lick it.
No, I don't, because I think it's gross. Mike.
You're not gonna put a little heart for the eye?
Wait, am I a teenager? What am I, 15? No.
Okay, fine. You
Done.
didn't put the card in.
Oh, shoot.
This is why we didn't lick it. This is exactly why we don't lick it.
Exactly. Let's put it behind it.
Oh, you don't put it in?
No.
Oh, I always do.
I just, yeah. You know, you can open it up and then see what's in there. There, it's done.
Woohoo.
Let's go get food.
What are you doing?
We will be there 5 minutes early. Remember when I did this last. Now we're going again. Luckily, it's only 3 minutes away.
Ben just got back from a 7, 8, 9, 10 months, whatever it's deployment. We invited more people, but they wouldn't come. Happy birthday, dear Mom Eugene. Happy birthday to you. Man, he's good, Anthony.
Well, they're gonna.
That doesn't count. That doesn't count.
So challenging.
Well, we are done with the birthday party and dinner.
So full.
It was really good. Really good. Good food. Good,
I'm dying.
Good people. Rachel's so full.
Smurf cake.
Yeah, there was they had cake. It was the blue icing was staining everybody's mouth and teeth and
Smurf cake.
tongue. I got a piece that didn't have very much blue on it, thank goodness. So yeah. It's a party.
Hey, do you call your car the green machine?
Brave little toaster.
It's a brave little toaster.
Oh, okay.
Love you.
Family.
Family.
In-law family. Everybody's hilarious. That's, one thing. Everybody's hilarious. They like you if they're teasing you. And I have been teased a few times.
If we don't tease you, we don't like you.
Yeah, if you don't get teased, you're not like
Be
I guess,
careful.
but- yeah. So, but yeah, I'm gonna close out the vlog here, guys. It's been a great day. It was good to get out and get some good food, spend some time with family, and
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
please don't get me copyrighted.
It was less than 3 seconds.
Oh, jeez. All right. Love and stuff, guys, and we'll see you next time.